Notice, my friend requested not to show his identity in the YouTube version of the video. Go, go, go. So here's the thing, we don't have fall break this year. I mean, that's fine, because every weekend's a fall break to me. I mean, I don't have any Friday classes. Therefore, my roommate and I left on Friday morning, drove 6 hours to New River Gorge National River in West Virginia. It was definitely a unique experience. We found an abandoned mine in the middle of the woods, and we also explored an abandoned town, Thermon. On the second morning, we went to the Sandstone Fall. It gives a very Southern style feeling of the nature, and it reminds me of the book that I've read in my childhood, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Even though I know the story happened in Missouri instead of West Virginia, I still got the same feeling of a country boy growing up with the blessed of the nature. For me, I grew up in the city and always longed for the nature. And I really feel blessed to have this weekend that we can get away and enjoy the nature in West Virginia. Well, weekend trip is pretty short, but we definitely made the most out of it. I am Antares, and I should probably shave. See you next episode.
I should have shaved. Bye. Bye.
So it is 8:30 a.m. in the morning right now. I woke up at 7 and I went for the sunrise over there.